A man's a man for all that, written in 1795. It's Burns' great call for equality through all humanity, that the value and the worth of the human person is to be seen in their heart and not simply in their status, their rank or their wealth. Is there for honest poverty that hangs his head and all that? The coward slave, we pass him by, we dare be poor for all that. For all that and all that, our toils obscure and all that, the rank is but the guinea stamp, the man's the gowd for all that. What though on hamely fare we dine, we're hodden grey and all that, gie fools their silks and knaves their wine, a man's a man for all that. For all that and all that, their tinsels show and all that, the honest man, no e'er say poor, is king o' men for all that. You see yon Birkie called a laird, with struts and stairs and all that, though hunters worship at his word, he's but a coof for all that. For all that and all that, his ribboned star and all that, the man o' independent mind, he looks and laughs at all that. A prince can make a belted knight, a marquis, duke, and all that, but an honest man's aboon his might, good faith he mauna fall that. For all that and all that, their dignities and all that, the pith o' sense and pride o' worth, are higher rank for all that. Then let us pray that come it may, as come it will, for all that, that sense and worth o'er all the earth shall bear the grief for all that. For all that and all that, it's coming